The Senate confirmed Robert F. Kennedy Jr. today as President Trump's Secretary of Health and Human Services in a 52-48 vote, with only one Republican opposing it, and all Democrats also joining that Republican in trying to tank the confirmation. The 71-year-old environmental lawyer will now oversee one of the largest health agencies in the U.S. with an annual budget of roughly $1.7 trillion. This is despite longstanding concerns about his advocacy on the safety and efficacy of vaccines, which were cited by members of both parties during his confirmation fight. He founded Children's Health Defense and faced heated scrutiny during his confirmation hearings for many books, writings, and interviews he had given on the subject of vaccinations. Critics had highlighted those, especially his comments on polio and measles vaccines. Yet key Republican senators in the days coming up to the final vote threw their weight behind him, including Senator Susan Collins, Senator Lisa Murkowski, and Senator Bill Cassidy, who chairs the Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee. They secured his nomination within the final days before the Senate took a vote. Senator Murkowski, in a statement, said that vaccines have saved millions of lives, and she received assurances from Kennedy that he wouldn't make any changes to that when he was appointed HHS secretary. Cassidy also emphasized that Kennedy's experience and passion would be important for the department setting a patient-centered tone and would establish what Kennedy has been calling a Make America Healthy Again movement nationwide. Democrats uniformly opposed his confirmation, taking issue with some of his skeptical statements on vaccinations, as well as some of his more outlandish claims, including suggesting that Lyme disease was a militarily engineered bioweapon. He walked back many of those statements during his confirmation fight. Kennedy mostly stuck to the script in the confirmation hearings, asserting that his focus, if he was confirmed, would be on addressing America's chronic disease epidemic and reforming a system that many believe is in desperate need of change. His confirmation marks a pivotal moment as the Trump administration seeks to overhaul public health policy. Kennedy's tenure expected to bring a renewed emphasis on consumer advocacy and evidence-based decision-making within the nation's health bureaucracy.
For more stories just like these, be sure to subscribe to the New York Post right here on YouTube.